Hey there viewers, welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. There are tons of people who claim that the keto diet has not helped them to achieve their weight loss goals. Could it be because they aren't following the diet correctly? It could be so, right? Before you decide to quit the keto diet, make sure you aren't making the mistakes we have featured in this video. Number 1. You might be consuming too many carbohydrates. One of the basic rules of keto is to minimize the consumption of carbohydrates. Limiting carbohydrates keeps the blood sugar in control, resulting in the low production of insulin that allows cells to access and burn the stored body fat for energy. You might be skipping on the primary forms of carbs, but carbohydrates can easily find their way to your diet food in the forms of salad dressing, soups, sauces, and some kinds of fish. If the quantity of these carbs isn't monitored, your body will not enter into ketosis. If the daily carbs intake exceeds 10% of your daily calorie intake, your body will not switch on its metabolic machinery to fat burning mode. Therefore, it is wise to read the labels on food and keep a strict check on what you eat. Number 2. You might be consuming a lot of fat and not enough protein. Since keto says high fat and low carb, most people get the wrong idea of loading up on cream and butter for survival. It is true that most of the keto calories, at least 55 to 70%, are designed to come from fat sources, but this in no way means that protein should be skipped or taken in lower than suggested quantities. Proteins are the essential macronutrients used to build muscle mass, synthesize all the hormones, and play an important role in the repair process. Therefore, the importance of proteins cannot be overlooked. An ideal keto meal should be 60% fat and 30% protein. If you go anywhere below 30% for protein, you will be adversely affected. Let's talk about the third mistake, but before that, subscribe to our channel if you're getting value from this video so far. Number 3. Not staying hydrated. Perhaps one of the most common keto advice given to beginners is to stay hydrated enough. While starting this diet, most of the individuals go through a phase called the keto flu. Keto flu is a natural reaction of the body when it is beginning ketosis, and water is the only thing that keeps the symptoms of keto flu mild. So if you're struggling with the side effects of keto, it is a good idea to keep your water intake a little above normal. The minimum suggested quantity is anywhere between 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. Number 4. Not getting enough sleep. If the keto diet isn't working for you, we will ask you a simple question. Are you getting enough sleep? In this busy modern world, sleep is something that we all put in the back drawer and forget about. Sleep is vital for health and general well-being. Another less-known fact about sleep is that it also helps in the weight loss process. So if you're doing all the right things and still not losing weight, have a look at your sleeping pattern. There should be absolutely no compromise on sleep. Everything else in the world can wait. Have a good night's sleep. Ideally, 7 to 9 hours of sleep is enough for the body's healthy functioning. Number 5. Looking at the weighing scale daily. Another common mistake people on the keto diet tend to make is that they get obsessed with the weighing scales. So many people give up on the weight loss process only because they check their weight too frequently and give up when the desired results aren't achieved in time. Weighing scales have way too much influence on carrying on your diet and staying positive during the entire journey. Remember that weight isn't the most accurate way of knowing if the diet is going well or not. Weight while being on a diet such as keto can fluctuate tremendously daily, and it is nothing to worry about. Don't let a couple of unfavorable readings drag you down and make you quit your diet. Number 6. Ignoring food quality. Another reason you're not seeing the results you expected from keto is because you're choosing low-quality food products. Consuming low-quality food products can result in symptoms such as dehydration, skin breakouts, fatigue, and digestive issues. If your goal is to stay healthy and achieve your ideal weight, then dirty keto isn't going to work. Dirty keto and low-quality keto foods mean that you opt for processed foods and your diet lacks diversity. To enhance the benefits of keto, choose organic foods and include variety in your meals. Ensure that the protein comes from grass-fed sources and no processed food is a part of your diet. Number 7. Not having enough fiber content. It does seem like a challenging task to consume fiber while being on keto, but it is not impossible. With a bit of planning and research on the types of food to choose, you could easily plan out a keto-friendly meal that includes a good amount of fiber. If you're feeling bloated and constipated while following a keto diet, include fiber-rich fruits in your diet. Foods like chia seeds, nuts, psyllium husk, and low-carb berries is considered good fiber sources while on a diet. Number 8. You fail to prepare keto meals. We know that preparing keto meals with calculated amounts and tricky ingredients can be challenging. But the keto meal preparation does need a lot of hard work and is time consuming. It is a good idea to prepare batches of meals and store them for times when you cannot cook, so that you don't break the whole ketosis cycle. Make sure that you have keto meals prepared and stored in your fridge in good amount for the lazy days. Number 9. Eating too many keto sweets. Having keto sweets once in a while is okay, but more significant amount of keto sweets are loaded with calories that may hinder your weight loss goals. Even the low carbohydrate sweets should be consumed carefully and occasionally. If you're making any of these mistakes, it is time you start following the keto diet appropriately to yield amazing weight loss benefits. Watch this playlist to speed up your weight loss journey. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos on how to lose weight fast.